na naging household name na, diba? Parang dito nagbo-birthday palagi. Tapos ngayon, I get to celebrate this special day with my friends, diba? With my good friends, my co-ambassadors. So, ang saya lang. And to finally be part of this kind of family na, thank you! And now, I get to celebrate this day also with our friends, not just from the press, also my fans, my supporters, a lot of people today. And, andun sila sa likod. Ayun, Barbie Natis, let's go!
Yes!
Ayan, yes, gumising sila ng maaga. Oo. So, ayan, masaya kasi di ba marunong na rin si Mami? Yes! Iba yung kanya. Ang dami mo sinasabi.
Yun pala yun.
Ayan, very, very happy and grateful to McDonald's for entrusting me and David to be part of the